I'm not going to talk about science and chemistry because I didn't do much and I do not know much about chemistry and physics. But I wanted to touch a small area about the printers and the graphic advertising, because I also have a printing press and I also have a graphic division, and what other problems day-to-day we face. I have two, because I think like 4 o'clock we are going to finish it off, so I cannot take almost about an hour session. I take about 15 minutes. So I have two dockers. I'll just pass it around, quickly just have a look at it and just see what are the mistakes you can just see out of it. Just quickly have a look at it and pass it to the others. I think there are 50. So take about 30 seconds or 40 seconds, just have a look at it. What kind of a mistake you can find in this document. And you just write it out and just pass it to the others. Let's see what we could do. When we are going through, we will see what you can draw also in between. When we are going through, I think like, I don't know people, what that point Kepler was telling one major thing. We have to start, because I thought that time was a very bad time, Mr. Kepler was telling. So that was during almost, we are getting ready for our lunch. Anybody got that point? Now, when we want to do designing, so Kepler said that we have to start. That was a very, very good point what he said. Anybody? Sorry? From the post press. Because what happens is, again, on that point again he showed the color chart. And sometimes we want to print the paper size, and when the color chart is in the plate, on the plate you see the color chart, but we cannot get it into the paper. Because the paper size, the color chart is out, right? And we have to struggle for the gripper. I think graphic people, you all know about gripper also, I suppose, right? Graphic design side, you all know about the gripper and all, right? So I don't need to talk about it. So these are the minor things, like that's what we were talking about now. We are talking about LAB value. Before talking LAB value, we need to have the color chart. So sometimes we forget where we are starting, how we can go about it. So I have only 15 minutes of this docket. If you can just quickly